Hi guys, welcome to my Chinese watch collection. My name is Aviv and I'm super excited about today's video because I'm going to talk about one of my favorite features of the AliExpress app, which is freebies. And I'm going to talk about how I won this watch and how you can also win one for yourself. So if it's the first time you're on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the little bell next to it so you can get notifications when I upload new videos like this one. So if you're interested about how you can win free stuff on AliExpress, stay tuned and I'll meet you after the intro. So hi guys, like I said, I won this naviforce watch using the freebies section of AliExpress. What it is basically is a section of the AliExpress app where you can apply for a chance to win watches or all sorts of other goods that is sold on AliExpress and get it actually almost for free because you pay 1 cent for a transaction to be made. I'll show you exactly how to do it in a moment. It's super easy. So why would AliExpress sellers give stuff for free? When AliExpress sellers have items in their store that have lots of reviews and comments by people who actually bought and tried the products, the credibility of that product goes up and more people are likely to go ahead and purchase it. And when a seller has a new item on his store and he wants someone to review his product so other people can see that it's legit and it's good. So if the seller wants to increase the chance of people buying his new product, he'll put it up in the freebies section of AliExpress and will offer it for practically free for whoever wins that item. So how it goes is each item has an application period, and after that time is over, there'll be a kind of lottery between all the people who applied to it, and 5 of these people will get the item for 1 cent in exchange for a detailed review of what they thought about the item and how they used it. And like I said, I won this awesome naviforce watch. I'll be reviewing it soon in a different video, but it's such a great feeling when you win something, especially something like this, which is a great quality product that I might have bought anyway. So if you want to try your luck winning a freebie, first thing you need to do is go on the AliExpress app. This won't work on the desktop site. You don't have the freebies options there. On the home screen, click on freebies. Find watches and jewelry tab on the top bar. Click it. And you can scroll down to see what is available today. Find something you like. Maybe we'll try this one. You can see that this offer ends in 3 days and 22 hours. Winners of freebies are notified within 3 days after the application time is over. So if you want, you can click on the photo and see the complete product listing. You can learn about the store, all the product description. You can see which colors are available. Now go back and press on apply for free. Confirm that your delivery address is correct. Press save. Then agree to the terms and conditions. And you have now applied successfully to this watch. Then you press the back button. Back again. Choose another watch because you can apply for 2 products every day. Let's try this one. We do it again. Apply for free. Save. Agree. And we're done. We have applied successfully for 2 items. Let's see what happens if we try to apply for a 3rd item. please try again tomorrow. It will not let us. If you're interested, you have many more options of items you can apply to, and the selection changes every day. You have many different categories. If you're into bags and shoes, if you're into clothing and accessories, sports, anything you want, you can apply to 2 items every day on any category. And you can check out reviews people wrote for the stuff day 1. And you can see your freebies that you won. This is the one I won, the naviforce, and I can check my freebie reviews. The whole point for the sellers is they give you the item in exchange for a review. So this is the review I wrote. Just to show you that this method works and you can actually win freebies. It's not a myth. Okay, so if you liked this video and found it helpful, if you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel, where I talk about my Chinese watch collection. I review my watches and I give you some tips and tricks about taking care of your watches by yourself and about shopping on AliExpress. You can also follow me on Instagram to get to know me better and the watches in your collection. You can see which watch I'm wearing every day and connect with me on a personal level if you want. If you do subscribe to my channel, please hit that bell button next to the subscribe button so you can get all the notifications about me uploading videos. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you'll start applying for items in the freebies section of AliExpress, and may the odds be ever at your favor. I see you next time.